how to use Monday.com calendar step by step. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com calendar to organize and get more productive. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to Monday.com and you will land on this platform right here. Monday is a project management software and a CRM. It allows you to create your own projects, collaborate with your team, and much more. So let's get into it. First, you're going to actually get started, and getting started is really easy. You just have to enter your email address here, or you can also sign up with your Google account. It is completely free and there is no credit card required. So after the initial sign up or sign in to your Monday.com, you will land right here. On Monday, we have different projects that we can create, and we have different views available. We have a board view, we have a list view, and there is also a Monday calendar. So let me show you how to actually turn your simple project into a calendar, into a content calendar, or maybe let's say you want to create a calendar view. So let's actually get into it. I'm going to open up my project right here. This is a new project. You can also create a new project here or create a new board. Click on this add button here. We have the new board option, new document, new dashboard, choose from templates and import data. So even in the templates, let's open it up. In the template center, you will be able to find different calendars. So if I search right here for a calendar, it will show me the templates available. You can see we have a work calendar and we have a content calendar available. So if you want to get started with a calendar template, then you will search for it and go for this one. Or you can convert your simple, project that you already created into a calendar. How you can do that? So you're going to click on this add view option. Let me actually give you a tour quickly before we get into it. We have this main workspace here on Monday.com, and then on Monday we can also create more than one workspaces. We have our notifications here. At the bottom we have again our workspace. These are going to be all the boards that I have within the workspace. So here this is a project. In each project we have different sections and statuses created, and then each status or each section or group has different tasks that we create. So these tasks can be viewed in different types of views. We have a main table view, we have a timeline view, and then we can also add a calendar view. So to add a view, you're going to click right here and we're going to select calendar from here. These are all the views available. And here we have a calendar. So I'm going to open up in the board. And there you go. We have a calendar now. This is how you add a calendar view in your Monday.com. So now you can see my project is converted into a calendar. So at the top, we have the integrations. I'm going to click on integrate, and in integration center, we can also integrate Google Calendar to our Monday.com. We will also be able to integrate other platforms such as MailChimp. We have Trello, we have Slack, Gmail, and we can create different automations with it. You can also search by different categories here. So now my calendar is created. Let me show you how to use it. So here we have a new item option. New item will allow me to create a new group of items or import items. Then we have add widget. So in add widget, I can add different types of widget to my calendar as well. To add a task, you're going to select the date. Let's say I am going to select this date right here. So you will get this add option. This is to add a new task. Click on add, and now it will allow you to add a new item. Let's call it task 1. Now we're going to select the group. So the group we have is this month and next month. Now these are the groups that I created for my project. You can also go for other groups if you like. Then we have the person option. This is where you will assign it to someone. Let's assign it to a team member. Then we have the status. So we have status of working on it, stuck, done, and I can edit different labels as well. Let's actually create a new label of we have working on it, stuck. Let's create a to do. And we can also change the color for it. So what I'm going to do is select it and click on apply. So this will be added here, but this is actually the one I am working on. So I'm going to select this status. The date will be added because it's a calendar view, and I selected the date and then added the task. Then we have dependency option, and then we have the timeline as well. Click on create item and the item will be added to your calendar. You can see this is what it looks like. Now I can add more tasks here. Let's add a task 2. Like this, and we're going to assign it to someone here. Click on create item and it will be added. We can add more than one task in a date as well if we want to, and they will be added right here. You can see now the tasks are created. We can also select our view here. We have a monthly view. I can switch to a weekly view, and this is what it will look like. And then we have a daily view too, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to switch back to month. We have date here. We have different filters that we can create within a calendar. So when it comes to the filters, we have different labels that we created, and these are the labels that will create the filter. In person, I have my team members here. How to invite someone? You will find the option at the top right here. Click on invite and you will be able to invite someone to the board. For instance, all you have to do is just like enter their email address right here, and invitation will be sent to them. Then we have automation. So automations play a very important role in automating our work and saving time. So in Automation Center, I can create different automations such as when this is created, notify this person. When this is removed, notify this person, such as that. And we also have recurring here. So this is how you will be creating all of these different automations with the calendar. I can actually anytime switch to any other view on Monday. So this is how you add a calendar on Monday, and this is how you use a Monday calendar. But if you were looking to add something, add another calendar, then of course you can go to the Integration Center and you're going to search for Google Calendar, or you can search for other calendars available as well. So we have Google Calendar here and you will be able to add it. Similarly, you can create a project from the scratch, such as a content calendar with a template. So these are all of the different types of calendars available within Monday. I can also switch to different workspaces anytime I want. This is my main workspace. To create a new workspace, you can just click right here and click on add workspace or rename this workspace. We can click on add, and I can also import data from other boards and other platforms, such as we have Basecamp, Trello, Asana, Zendesk, Azura, and more. And then we have our notifications here. When it comes to our calendar here, we can actually create a task. Like if I do it again for you guys, we can add more than one field here. There is a very easy way to do so. You can go to the main table first. And in main table, we have these different fields created. We have a person, we have status, we have date, dependency, timeline. To create another one, you're going to hit add column, and from here you will select it. For instance, I also want to add priority. So I'm going to select it and it will be added here. Let's add another column, which is going to be the, let's say, files. And here I will be able to upload the files. So this is how you add different columns. And if you want to delete one, you can click on these three dots, click on delete, and it will be deleted. So this is what we can do on the main table, and it becomes really easy to add a column. And then you can switch to your calendar view. And this time, if I create a new task, for instance here, this will have more fields. Now I have files as well and priorities too that I can select. So this is how you can add fields to a task when you are creating it. And with a calendar view, you will be able to organize your work better. You will get more punctual and meet your deadlines. So do go ahead and check out the Monday.com calendar view. And now you know how to use it. It's actually really easy and it will help you get more organized and productive. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was being helped. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.